Hello, and welcome to the WordPress Speed online course. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today, we'll be learning together how to speed up your WordPress site. Now, there are a lot of different advantages to speeding up your sites, such as having good user experience and getting better rankings with Google and other search engines and so on. So that's what we're going to be covering in this course. First things first, I want to mention that in speeding up your website, there are so many different variables and different elements to it, and we're just going to focus on a few. We're going to focus on the most important ones that will help you speed up your whole site, typically about anywhere from 50 to 75%. Remember, this is an ongoing process, and I want you to know that it's like getting a brand new car. You're going to need to constantly maintain your website's speed. Just remember that it takes baby steps to complete each and every one of these elements that we discuss in the course, so try not to get too overwhelmed. Get a few steps done first, move on, and go from there. So, before we move on to our next lesson, let's talk about what you need to have in hand. Obviously, this course will talk about WordPress sites, but you can take this information and the concepts that I'm giving you and apply to a non-WordPress site too. However, keep in mind I'm going to give you specifics in relation to WordPress and web hosting for WordPress. You'll also need to have a cPanel for hot link protection. Most hosts provide cPanel. If you're not using cPanel, then you most likely do have hot link protection on it. That is typically built in. Of course, you will also need to have an extra investment ready for possible content delivery networks and image optimization. So, let's move on to our next lesson, and I wish you a happy learning.